Alrighty, hello guys, welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a script that changes the part C frame every second. So first off, you're gonna have to make sure that you have a script inside a part, and then after that, you can just start scripting. So first off, I'm going to do while true do, and make end. After that, I can access the script's parent. So to do that, we can go script.parent.Position to access the part's position. And then to change the part's position, we go equals vector3.new. Vector3.new is just a way of updating something's position or C-frame. And this is the special part. To make it random, we do math.random parentheses 1 to 5. This will choose a number between 1 to 5 for each x, y, and z values. So it'll randomize each x, y, and z value. Now you may be thinking that this math.random will just enter in an array from 1 to 5. It'll actually enter in an integer anywhere from 1 to 5. That's what it'll do. And then, yeah, we can add in our last value from 1 to 5. Okay, so there are other math.random functions, but we'll just be using this one today because I think it's the simplest. Alrighty, okay, you need to make sure that you have a wait. So you just, after the line that you just wrote, with the math.random C-frame vector, whatever, you just hit enter, remember, and then put a wait there. Wait, because if you don't wait and you have a function that continuously repeats without waiting, your computer will probably crash. And now if we go in, you can see that we have a part that is updating inside a 5 by 5 by 5 cube. That is like the limit. And inside that 5 by 5 by 5 imaginary cube, it is updating its position. Thank you for watching.